Hello friends. Welcome to the CRACK CLAT tutorials.
The examination date of the Common Law Admission Test has been rescheduled to avoid a clash with CBSE Board Exams 2021. The Common Law Admission Test 2021 entrance exam was earlier scheduled on May 9, but it would now be conducted on June 13, 2021. The decision to postpone the exam was taken during the meeting of the Executive Committee of the Consortium of National Law Universities on January 6. CLAT 2021 exam date rescheduled to avoid clash with CBSE examination. The process of registration for this year's CLAT exam started on January 1, 2021 and the last date to apply for it is March 31. CLAT 2021 entrance exam will now be conducted on June 13. The 2-hour exam will be held from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Candidates would have to attempt 150 objective-type questions in English, current affairs, legal reasoning, quantitative techniques and logical reasoning.
Start your CLAT preparation with CRACK CLAT tutorials, exclusive interactive online classes for CLAT 2021. Register now at www.crackclat.com.